Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to review Murad's Essential C Cleanser. So this is just one of a lot of cleansers that Murad produces. Their most popular is that blue acne control cleanser that you've probably seen everywhere. This one is interesting though because it's their Environmental Shield collection, and when I looked on their website, they said their Environmental Shield collection is their vitamin-rich product that delivers antioxidants, removes pollution and impurities, conditions, prevents skin damage, and relieves dryness and nourishes. So my antenna went a little bit up because that is a lot for a cleanser to do. So let's just start with this statement. Vitamin Trio neutralizes free radicals and defends skin against skin damage. And by vitamin trio, they're referring to vitamins A, C, and E. So there is some scientific evidence that those vitamins can act as antioxidants within your skin and destroy free radicals. Free radicals are those unstable molecules that your body produces in response to pollution, in response to UV radiation, and it's really what causes the skin damage, aging, wrinkling. It's not conclusive, but let's just say we're gonna take it on fact that vitamins are good for your skin and that you should incorporate them into your skincare routine. So when we're looking at a product that promises all of those things, first starting off with looking for two things. Number one, the actual ingredients that are used and the ability to absorb into your skin, into your epidermis, the top layer of your skin. And number two, that those vitamins are in high enough concentrations in the product to actually even do anything. So let's look at the Essential C's ingredients list. So we can see right off the bat that it's not always the pure vitamins that they have in these cleansers. So for here, retinol palmitate is vitamin A, tocopherol acetate is vitamin B, and then ascorbyl palmitate and ascorbic acid are vitamin C. So out of all of those ingredients I listed, only ascorbic acid is pure vitamin C. It's just the sciencey name for vitamin C. All the other ones are derivatives. So now we're also looking for a third thing, that these derivatives have the ability to convert into that vitamin inside your skin to actually do any work. So we're going to start with vitamin C because there seems to be the most scientific research on its effects on your skin. So in this cleanser, we have ascorbic acid, again 100% pure vitamin C, as well as ascorbic palmitate. So that is a derivative and it has about a 40% conversion to vitamin C, which is okay. Absorption though is a little bit more tenuous because vitamin C molecules are actually water charged and the top layer of your skin is actually repelling water charged molecules. And so studies have shown that for an ideal absorption condition, the solution has to be a pH below 4 as well as a concentration of 8 to 20% of vitamin C. So I wanted to check that out, so I actually bought a pH strip test to see what pH this Essential C cleanser is at. So we are gonna do that right now. All right. I put the cleanser on. It needs about 15 seconds, it says, to work its magic. So just for reference, this is a unused strip. So you can kind of see the colors there. It's like a orange and a yellow. And I feel like it's been 15 seconds. Here is the strip that I put the cleanser on. So you can see that the orange stayed the same, but the bottom turned a little greenish. And so looking at this color scale, I would say probably the closest match is a pH of 6.0. So I don't know if you agree. For all those colorblind folks out there, I'm sorry. But yeah, my point is it's not below 4, so you're already killing your absorption rate. And then second of all, it needs an 8 to 20% of vitamin C, which is a ton. So if we look at the ingredients list and then just look at the ingredients up to the vitamin C ingredients, you can see there's no way possible that it has at least 8% vitamin C in the cleanser. So a good thing to note is that the FDA requires its manufacturers to list ingredients from its highest concentration to its lowest concentration. And so in this cleanser, that just means water, like all gel-based cleansers, is the highest concentration ingredient. And then these essential oils are gonna be the lowest concentration ingredient. So let's just say ascorbic acid has to be 8% of the solution, right? So if we assume everything above it is 8% or just a little bit more than 8%, these percentages would add up to more than 100%. So that's obviously not reality. The other way you can do it is, let's say ascorbyl palmitate and ascorbic acid together need to make up that 8%, right? So that means ascorbic acid can be 6%, and then ascorbyl palmitate would also be about 6%, which makes up the difference because remember, there's a 40% conversion to vitamin C. But even then, as we ratchet it up, you can see, yes, we could possibly have this percentages, but with any gel-based cleanser, water is always going to be more than 50% of your ingredients list. So there's just no way there's at least 8%, which is the low end of the scale for this cleanser. Moving on to vitamin A, so it has about a 18% absorption rate for this derivative. And side note, you can double that if you're a hairless guinea pig because no barriers. And the conversion hovers around 44%. So another thing that I was curious about is the time aspect of exposure and absorption. So I found this study that measured the absorption rate of vitamin E derivative mixed in various solutions. It doesn't matter what the solutions were, but I was just trying to come up with an absolute rate for the centimeters per hour absorption of vitamin E. And all 5 solutions fell within between 0.0001 to 0.01 centimeters per hour of absorption, which is 1 to 100 microns per hour. And so like, how long are you even putting cleanser on your face? Like usually you're just putting it on, rubbing it in, washing it off, maybe 3 minutes if I'm being super generous. So that means you're getting 0.5 to 5 microns of absorption, which is basically nothing, especially with the 18% absorption rate and then the 44% conversion rate. So you're not really getting vitamin C, you're not getting vitamin A. Vitamin E, there's not as much scientific research with the tocopherol acetate, only that there doesn't seem to be a lot of evidence that it converts to vitamin E easily, and then it needs at least a 5% concentration. Again, the math doesn't work out. All this to say is when you're purchasing Murad's Essential C Cleanser and you're paying $4 to $5.80 per fluid ounce, you're paying for the branding and marketing, which is your choice. When you look at the ingredients list, the rest of it is just a typical water surfactant mixture. There's no red flag ingredients. So it's gonna do the job. It's gonna clean your face, but it's not gonna do all those wonderful benefits that website was listing out of destroying free radicals and protecting your skin against pollution. That's just a little bit too much to ask from a cleanser that you have on your face for a few minutes. So anyways, that is it for Murad's Essential C Cleanser. Hope you guys enjoyed that review. Next time I'll be doing Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. So check back and yeah.